Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now I already know what y'all are thinking.
Elise has officially run out of ideas for her YouTube channel.
Well, my friends, you're probably right. But just hear me out on this one. I'm gonna be attempting to learn to play the ukulele upside down, which is basically starting from square one. I have to relearn the ukulele because I'll be strumming with this hand and forming chords with this hand. The strings are upside down and everything, so I have to form the chords completely differently. It's switching everything around. Everything is not what it seems. We are living in a simulation. Sorry, that took a turn that I did not expect to take. To add on to this challenge, to make it even more challenginger, we love a goodly structured sentence. I am only allowing myself 15 minutes to not only learn how to play the ukulele upside down, but also learn a song. The song that I've chosen is Castle on the Hill by an artist you may have heard of, Ed Sheeran. Also, this video was inspired by Autumn Best, who made a cover playing her ukulele completely upside down, and it sounded so amazing. However, let's not get our hopes up for this video. All right, without any further mountain dew, let's just get this started. I'm going to put my timer for 15 minutes, and we're starting, folks. I'm actually really nervous. This is gonna be so bad. The first two chords for Castle on the Hill are C and F. Also, I have a tutorial for this if you want to learn to play it a super easy normal way with your ukulele not upside down. Link in the card and in the description. First chord is C, so oh my gosh, it's upside down. I don't know how to deal. Okay, so because this is technically the bottom string, well, not like it is. Saying technically was so redundant. I don't know what I'm doing. This is so weird strumming with this hand. I feel like I have no rhythm in this hand. How do I... What the heck? This is so uncomfortable. I can't... Ow! Guys, my finger's hurting. Keep in mind that this hand has no calluses, so this is gonna hurt really, really bad. Okay, I kinda got that. Next chord is F, so... Ooh, how am I gonna do this with what fingers? Sorry, I know y'all at home are probably like, no, up, stop, you're playing it wrong. Come on! Okay, I'm gonna do single down strums. I don't think I can do the fancy rhythm with this. Ow! This is so hard. Guys, I'm being such a baby, but I'm not used to pain because I've been playing for so long. Oh shoot, I want to play it normally, but I have to remember this is upside down. Okay. When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. The next chord is A minor. Oh, thank goodness it's an easy one. I was running from... crud. Now I gotta do the G chord. How? I can't handle this. Oh wait, no, that would be like a G7. Ooh. So here, ow. I can't do this, I'm gonna cry. I'm so sorry guys when I tell you to just suck up the pain. This is awful. I don't remember how bad it is. Wait, oh, maybe it'd be easier if I do it like this. I cannot play this G chord. This is impossible. Maybe, okay, I'll do it like this. Some of the strings are muted, but it's okay. We only have 15 minutes, so we're gonna do this. I should have learned a song that only had 3 chords like Riptide, but I already made my bed, so I have to lie in it. When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. Gee. For some reason, I can't do this, guys. I was running from my brother and his friends. I cannot get this G. This is not the way I should be playing it, but we're just gonna go. Friends, and tasty light, sweet perfume of the mountain grass I wrote down. This is so ugly. This is gonna be the ugliest video. I'm so sorry that I'm ruining this song for every single one of you. I literally cannot strum with my left hand. This is how it's supposed to sound. When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. I was running from my brother and his friends. Okay, let's try this again. When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. Or wait, oops, I went to the wrong chord. Okay, we gotta start over. When I was 6 years old, I broke my leg. This is so gross. I was running from my brother and his friends. Nope, that's not right. I've had enough. Let's try Riptide. Maybe that one will be a little bit easier. Maybe just a little bit. I sure hope so, because I'm losing hope. And also, my fingers hurt really bad. Legitimately, like learning the ukulele again. The same pain that you experience, the same awkwardness of figuring out how to make this feel comfortable holding, sticking into your elbow pit. I don't know. I can't do this. This is hard. Ow. All right, so Riptide starts on the A minor, which would not be that. It would be this. I was scared of dentists in the dark. I was scared of pretty girls and starting conversations. Oh, all of my friends are turning green. You're the magicians assisting in their dreams. Ah, ooh, ooh, ooh. Ah, ooh, when they come unstuck. Let's see if I can do a different strumming pattern. Down, down, up, up. Down, down, up, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. I was scared of dentist in the dark. I can't. I'm sure with a lot of practice I could get this, just not today. Not today, sir. It's getting a little bit spicy in here. We got too spicy of memes floating around, so gotta take off the cardigan. Why am I holding my ukulele like this? I'm just so used to that. I was scared of dentist in the dark. Y'all, this hurts really bad. I want to go cry, but I'm not going to. I'm not crying on camera today. Told myself I wasn't gonna cry at all today, actually. 15 minutes is not nearly enough practice, and I have less than 5 minutes left. Ooh, let's try some 21 Pilots. She asked me, son, when I grow old, will you buy me a house of gold? And when your father...
Excuse me. Could you please leave?
I got this, guys. I'm really fine. I'm really doing fantastic in life. Okay, so the whole trying to learn a song thing completely failed. Let's try a bar chord. So I'm gonna bar the 4th fret, and my pinky has to go up here this time. Holy smokes, this is painful. Ew, that is the nastiest thing I've ever played. We're done. Yeah, so this is what you get when Elise tries to come up with pray for the memes, pray for my fingers, just pray for me in general, guys. I really need it. I would appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you're wondering where my ukulele is from, I got it off Amazon, so I will link that in the description if you're interested in checking it out. It's a really great uke. The very first one that I've got, and it's held up for quite a while, and it also plays beautifully. Also, make sure to check out my playlist of all the ukulele tutorials that I've ever made, because I have a whole bunch of songs in there that are worth learning if you're a beginner and you want to do something fun. I will link that in the card and in the description. Thank you guys again for being here. I hope that you have a fantastic day. Don't forget to drink your water, eat your vegetables, and be a good person. I love y'all. Bye.